YouTube? I'm Mike. This is Living with 3M, and I am back with another truck modding video. Today's mod's gonna be the third brake lamp cargo light you see right up there. About a year ago, I did a video dechroming the inside of that light to tint it darker. It gives it the illusion of tint. Just wasn't dark enough for me, as you guys can see. So I reached out to this company with my own money, no sponsors, ijdmtoy.com, and we got their third brake light, and it's a tinted version. So it's fully blacked out, like my windows, my badges, everything else you see to go along with the red on the truck. So hopefully it will match a lot better, and we'll see what happens. All right, I'm up in the back of the truck now. So the factory light housing is gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4 T20 Torx bit. Let's open this thing up, just see what we've got here before we go to removing too much, doing too much. Get your instructions. Yeah, pretty good detailed instructions. Pictures are always good. All right, got a new gasket here. I like that, made out of foam. All right, yeah, so we'll get this unpackaged, start removing the Torx bit screws. So there we go. All right, so we're gonna turn those counterclockwise, remove the old unit. We will not use this again. It's telling me I've got to go inside here, and there's a little clamp. I've got to release that to pull the wire on out to a main harness, and that's where we're gonna plug up the new light in the main harness. Okay guys, so see this right here? This has to come out because this is what the main harness is held on with. So we'll just have to take a pair of pliers, push those clips down, and release that. I'm gonna show you what I use to get those pushed down. One of these door pin pullers, I just pushed on top of them, pushed it right down. So now we should be able to reach our hand under it. There we go. Look at that. So that's what we're looking for right there. We're gonna pop this clip out. Okay, and on this one, you just push in the tab, pull, and release. There is your factory wiring. We'll set that aside. Get a look at our tinted version. It's pretty neat so far. It's got a protective film on it. We'll pull that off. The next step is going to be to take our gasket, which is a self-adhesive on one side. So we pulled off the little paper backing to that, and I'm going to walk that gasket all the way around here, sticking it to the aftermarket lamp assembly. And if it doesn't stick quite right, you can always pick it right back up. You just want to be sure you get it straight down in there, because this is what stops any water. Okay, so I've pretty much got that surrounded inside there. Looks good. All right, so I just use some Windex wipes. Clean that. Push that in until it clips. All right, going to tighten these down. You don't want to tighten one all the way. You just want to tighten them pretty evenly in sequence. And we'll go, you can always go back and tighten. If you find this video helpful and you like modding your truck or car, head on over to my channel page and check out all the mods I've done to the truck so far. I got mods for lifts, wheels, tires, tinted windows, black out your badges, headlights, tail lights. Man, I got it all. If I hadn't done it, hadn't been done. Walk right through my video. While you're over there, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me the thumbs up, smash that like button, and turn that bell notification black. That way it tells you every time I upload a video. So you guys can see that I do keep with the black and the dark red theme. So there's not a lot of clear lights on the truck, if any. So why should the third brake light be any different?